welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with Beauty Forever here once more, and it's the same packaging as always. So let's go ahead and jump into seeing what we got today. Remember, we're still in the summer series, so yeah, still doing the summer streak series. So we have another one of these. Wait, but before we get into that, let's see what else we got in our box. So I got this like drawstring bag with a couple stuff in it. So let's see what they sent. Like, there's nothing else in the box, so let's see what they sent. So I got a wig cap, a pair of lashes. Oh, I like these lashes, they're really nice. And I got an edge comb and brush. Oh, okay, beautiful. What is it, like a pair of earrings? That's not bad, that's nice. So I got this beautiful highlighted curly wig, and it's 18 inches long. I really love when it's this highlighted, and the thing that I love about it is that the highlights, they're not brassy looking, they look nicely toned. You know, it doesn't give off that orangey vibe. I don't like that look at all. So yeah, it's nice and full. Am I getting shedding? Yes, I got a couple strands here, and I always say it's expected, mostly with like processed hair. This is definitely processed, you know. I'm getting shedding minimal, okay, so just put that out there. It's a nice full wig. This is how it looks. It's really pretty, and I'm looking forward to just installing this. It's also nicely pre-plucked. Okay, tomorrow I have a full day ahead of me, and I'm looking forward to just rocking this out. So this is gorgeous. Yes. So oh, let me show you the construction. So it has a total of 3 combs on the inside, adjustable straps in the back. Ooh, and it's nicely bleached. Okay, so I love that. So now that you've seen how the wig looks and all, I'm gonna go ahead and jump into installing it. So let's go.
Those hands and lights can't stop me. I just hold on for dear life. Yeah, I can't give up this feeling that I get when looking down from the sky. Now with you, now with you, this high. Lights can't stop me. I'll just hold on for dear life. Yeah, I can't give up this feeling that I get when looking down from the sky. Now with you,
I must say I love about the lace affair. It melted down quite nicely. It just melted right into my skin, and you know, I love that. The color, everything, I always love this color. You guys know I do this a lot since recently, and it adds perfectly to my summer streak series, my streak summer series. So that's a win for me. The hairline is nicely plucked, it's not overly pre-plucked. you know, and the length, I feel like I'm gonna even out, probably give it more of a blunt vibe with the ends. So I love that with the wig so far. I'm just gonna go ahead and do my edges and get it nice and snatched. So I just had to come back and tell you guys about lace. It's really nice.
I'll just hold on for dear life. Yeah, I can't give up this feeling that I get when looking down from the sky.
I'm pretty much all done with installing this wig. I love the hairline. Of course you don't have to do baby hairs, but I wanna, you know, you could definitely do a pullback vibe. So, and it just melted right into my skin, just like I said before. So you could go ahead and, you know, make the decision as to how you want to wear it. You could go ahead and poof it out if that's how you're feeling, like how I have it. Like, this is giving Beyonce at the Grammys 2021. Yeah, a similar vibe, but you guys know the vibes already. I'm gonna go ahead and get my mousse, get some water and some mist, and just, you know, get this nice and juicy. Oh, and I did cut off some, like probably 2 inches off of it, so it's more even, because I wanted the ends to be more even. So, oh, this is definitely a vibe.
Those hands and lights can't stop me. I'll just hold on for dear life. Yeah, I can't give up this feeling that I get when looking down from the sky. Now with you, now with you, this high. It's me.
I went ahead, got the curls nice and rejuvenated. I love this. I like how they kind of focus a lot of the highlights towards the front, like to make it really light, and then it got a kind of darker, like it graduated then towards the like back. And I'm happy that I cut off some inches because it made it way more full, and I'm loving this length. You know, it's really nice. Look at that lace, beauty forever. This wig is gorgeous. It is gorgeous. The only thing, I wish it was a little bit softer. You know, it's not the softest, and as I said before, it does shed. Okay, so be mindful of that. The good thing is that it's not shedding excessively, so that is a plus. But yeah guys, that's pretty much it for today's wig look. Let me know what you think about it. Let me know if you like it, and if you're interested in this wig, the direct link to it where you can go ahead and purchase it is in my description box. Also, the specifications on this wig, it's down there, so go ahead and check that out. Yeah, shout out to Beauty Forever again for this gorgeous wig. That's it for today guys. Don't forget to subscribe, and also stay tuned to my vlog channel, PETITE-SUE TV. Thank you guys so much for watching, and just want to stay tuned, and until next time, I'm your girl Petite. Bye.